Hi, I'm Elia Jones, licensed professional counselor from Sewanee, Georgia. I'm here to talk to you about if you are thinking of doing therapy because you did not learn things that you think you should have learned from your parents or in your childhood, and you believe that you maybe have adopted some negative behaviors or unhealthy behaviors that are not helping you now, but you learned that in your childhood home from your parents, and you're thinking of coming to therapy to see how to change some of that. And the key is that yes, you can. We do all learn a lot of things from our parents and in our childhood, but we do get to decide which of those things are helpful or not helpful later. Our parents are different people than we are. The world is different than it was when we were children. And sometimes the way we have to learn how to do things differently is actually from watching neighbors, watching our friends, watching our friends' parents. Sometimes it's TV or movies, maybe even reading a book that can give you different perspectives and different ways of becoming. I think it's really important to kind of look at some people that we maybe admire in our childhood and try to remember them and what we admired about them and look for somebody who can be a role model and figure out how to be different. It's important to remember that even though our parents did raise us and teach us things, even siblings raised in the same household will do all sorts of different things from each other. So it's not really automatic that whatever our parents taught us are the same things that we need to do now. Unfortunately, my mom taught me to make my bed every day. And as an adult, I decided out of my own free will that I didn't really believe that that was that important. So, unfortunately, even some of the good and positive behaviors we learn in childhood, we can change. So, we can definitely change some of the negative, unhealthy ones. So, that is something I can help you with. Do feel free to like or subscribe if you would like to see some more of my content. Thanks.